Is your Magento 2 store lagging in speed? Wondering how to fix performance issues and boost your site's efficiency? Stay tuned as we explore the tools and strategies to speed up your Magento 2 store. Let's first talk about the 4 top performance optimization tools for website speed. Google PageSpeed Insights analyzes your website's speed and offers suggestions like reducing server response time and improving caching. GTmetrix provides detailed reports on your site's speed, including visual reports and performance scores. Web Page Test tests your site from multiple locations and browsers. It provides detailed reports, including waterfall charts that show resource loading times. Pingdom conducts quick speed tests and gives you a performance score along with easy-to-understand metrics. The key performance testing metrics like time to first byte (TTFB) measures how quickly your server responds to a request. Largest Contentful Paint (LCP) measures how long it takes for the largest content element to load. Cumulative Layout Shift measures the visual stability of your page as it loads. Choose high-performance Magento. 2. Hosting with SSDs and adequate server resources for high-traffic stores. Update to the latest Magento 2 version with regular updates for performance enhancements and security patches. Caching solutions like Redis for session storage and Varnish for full-page caching. Optimize images and media using lazy loading and a CDN to compress them without losing quality. Minify CSS and JavaScript files to reduce file sizes and remove unused code. Enable zip compression on your server to reduce file sizes and improve load times. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights and GTmetrix for ongoing checks. Optimizing your Magento 2 store speed using the right tools and strategies enhances user experience and improves search rankings. That sums up our overview of the Magento 2 speed test. Like, subscribe, and share for more tips on optimizing your Magento 2 store.